everyone. Today we will discuss on the topic drug discovery and drug development classes. So, before that, what is drug? Drug is any substance that are intended for the diagnosis, treatment, mitigation, and cure of any disease or disorder. Now, what is drug discovery? Drug discovery is a process by which identifying the molecule that can interact with a specific target molecule in a body to treat a disease, or we also define as the process by which the new candidate medicine are discovered on the basis of their pharmacological properties. Drug discovery is a time consuming and economical process. In drug discovery, there are four stages. We see, let's one by one. First is target identification, target validation, then lead identification and lead optimization. First see target identification. How we identify the target identification is the first and key step in the drug discovery. A drug target is the specific binding site of a drug in vivo through which exert action. Drug target refer to a single biomolecule. Drug can target may be protein, enzyme, ion channel. Then target validation. In target validation, help to new drug research and development and provide more review on the pathogenesis of the target related disease. Then lead identification. In lead identification, the process of selecting the most promising lead compound from the optimized hits during the hit to lead phase. Then lead optimization. Lead optimization is the process that begins with the compound that show a potential biological action and conform with the identification of the best compound. Now we see what is drug development. There is a preclinical phase, clinical phase, marketing approval are involved. We see then first see definition of drug development. So drug development is a process that bringing a pharmaceutical drug to the market once a lead compound has been identified through the drug discovery. And also define the entire process of bringing a new drug to the market. Then we see preclinical study. In preclinical study, this conduct on the animal. Preclinical studies are conduct on the animal by the proper ethics. In preclinical study, animal use such as dog, rat, mice, guinea pig, and sometimes monkey. Before on human studies, preclinical studies are conducted to check the side effect and toxicity of the drug. Now, in preclinical study, to check the pharmacological study, pharmacokinetic study, toxicology study, in vivo, in vitro, and are conducted. In vivo means inside of the animal, and in vitro means outside of the animal. After preclinical study, then IND filing application to the DCGI to conduct the clinical trial study. Then clinical trial study, in which there are phases: phase 0, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4. Phase 0 is called microdosing phase, in which to check the safety and efficacy of the drug. In phase 0, small microdosing drug are given, in which 20 in phase 1 the 20 to 100 volunteers are taken. to check the safety and efficacy of the drug, in which check the toxicity, tolerated dosage range, and in phase 1 there is a two types, that is a single ascending dose and multi ascending dose. Then phase 2, in phase 2 there are 100 to 300 patients are taken. In this phase to check the in this phase the drug toxicity, drug interaction, safety and efficacy check. This phase is also called as therapeutic exploratory trial. Then phase 3, in phase 3 there is large scale clinical control studies. This phase is also called as therapeutic confirmatory trial, in which 300 to 1000 patients are involved. In this phase to check the safety and efficacy, comparison with standard drug, and also packaging insert. Then after that phase clinical trial, NDA filing the application to the marketing of a new drug. Then phase 4 is called as post marketing surveillance, in which ADR is reporting designed to detect and long term adverse effect check. From the phase 4 the pharmacovigilance study is start, and after the getting marketing approval to the new drug, then drug launch into the market. The entire drug discovery and drug development time duration is 12 to 15 years, because it is time consuming and economical process. Thank you.